Last year, it was kind of like your first day of middle school, and you were like, man, these people are really tall, and I'm super scared. This year, we came with specific goals to meet with a couple of vendors.
We have more team members this year than last year. Last year, we just came with 2, myself and one other. We saw so much benefit last year that this year we wanted to bring, a slightly bigger crew, so we doubled that, so we came with 4 team members.
3 years of myself and my team coming to Ignite, it's grown. I mean, when we first came, there was under 1,000 people, and now there's almost probably double that.
The first thing I would tell the team is, wow guys, there's a lot of potential for us. I wish more of our team members could be here to see all the innovations that are in place. I'm just going to let them know there's a lot of potential for us, there's a lot of room for growth.
I've been with Aspire for 4 years and I've learned so much, but coming here I see that there's so much more we still haven't even touched.